Hi folks, this is Paul Gordon, and today I want to show you how I fix a dent on a Tesla Model S using the paintless dent repair method. You'll see one of the first things I do is relieve some pressure from the bottom edge there. Then we start a process called glue pulling. That's where we take special tabs, you'll see them in green and gray and red, and we pull against the low spots of the metal. Then we use a series of tappers and knockdowns as well as blending hammers in order to push the high spots back down into their position. When done by a professional, these methods can be very, very precise, very accurate, and get a very good result. But this is not something to be tried at home. This is a high skill work and it needs to be done by a professional. As you see here, the back and forth between the glue pulling and the blending and tapping allows us to get the original shape back to this quarter panel. And that's really important and actually pretty tricky because this quarter panel is made of aluminum, which is much more difficult to repair than steel. In addition to the aluminum, we also have what's called a body line or a contour line that runs through that dent, which means we have to restore the original shape of the line back. But in the hands of a professional with the right tools, you can get a result like this. What's best of all about this process is that we were able to repair this damage without repainting, without replacing any parts, and without generating a Carfax report.